Ever worried about accidentally opening dangerous website on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? Here's how to protect yourself by turning on malicious site warnings. To do so, open Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Security and Privacy. Tap Security and Privacy. Scroll down the screen. Tap Internet Privacy Protection. Scroll down the screen. Find Warn About Malicious Site and make sure it's switched on. Now, whenever you use the Samsung Internet app and try to open a website that might be harmful, you will get a warning before the page loads. This feature helps you stay safer online by alerting you before accidentally visiting websites that could steal your information or install malware. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.